Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these very easy striped toe slippers. So let's get started. And in my next video I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy trim. Today I'm going to work with two colors, blue and red, and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, so just form a loop, insert the hook, pick up the yarn, and then tighten up that loop. And I'm going to chain 16. So to chain, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through, and it looks like a chain. Like that. Chain 16. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. There's the first stitch, single crochet in the second. So to single crochet, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Now pick up the yarn and pull it through too. And I'm going to work all the way across my chain. And there I have single crocheted in each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. The chain 1 takes the place of this first stitch. So I'm going to start working in the second stitch, and I'm only going to work in the back loop. So working in the back loop of the stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that. And then I'm going to continue that row. Chain 1 and turn. Starting in the second stitch, working in the back loop, single crochet in each stitch across the row. And I'm going to repeat that row until this section is as long as the foot, or according to the following chart. Okay, and I've gone ahead and done that. And this section should measure the length of the foot like that, or according to the following chart. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in my other color, and I'm going to attach it and lock it in and chain 1, and that will take the place of the first stitch. Now again, I'm going to single crochet in 8 of these stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, like that. Chain 1 and turn. Starting in the second stitch and working in the back loop, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Like that. Now I'm going to connect my red, bring it in through that stitch, and then I'm going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Bring the blue, attach it, chain 1 and turn, go crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch, and you're going to continue to do that. Repeat each one of those rows until this section is as long as this section, so it will be the same length as this section. So I'm going to go off camera and finish, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I've gone ahead and I finished this section, and this section is going to be exactly the same as this section, because now I'm going to fold this over like that, and I'm going to fold this over like that. And I'm going to match these two, and I like to end with the same color that I started, just so that this will be exactly symmetrical. So fold the front over to the back, and I'm going to slip stitch to join the front to the back. You could also sew this with a needle and yarn. and that will be on the inside. And I'm going to leave a long enough yarn end to be able to weave it through, so about a foot, and fasten off. Put this yarn end into a needle, and I'm going to weave through all this section here. So just weave through the stitches all the way around. Now pull to close up that front and attach it here on both sides. And then you can weave this yarn end back and forth into the finished work. And that's what it will look like. Now I'm going to sew the bottom of the slipper, and when I sew, I'll include that yarn into the stitches. Sew those in, enclosing those loose threads inside the seam, like that. Like that. I've sewn all the way across. Now weave the yarn end back into the finished work. And now turn it right side out, like that. So you have the top of the slipper. And now I will slide it onto the foot. And now you can turn down the cuff, like that. And there you'll have some very easy striped toe slippers. And if you like, you could crochet some buttons. I have a video for these buttons, and I'll put the link below and place that on the front. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet these slippers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.